Wele ne mama. Angikhulumele madoda sihlele njengamadoda wenziwa yini ukuthi umuntu wesifazane enze njena ke ndadlele madoda ngikanakanana namadoda hlele nomuntu kodwa sengiyabona ukuthi mina ngaliwe akasangithathi notisi futhi ngisawazi nokhisi njena ke yabona useyitholele ishele we futhi kwisikhathi eside kuke wabona umuntu mayesefuna ukuhamba nje umuntu mayesefuna ukuhamba we ngithuke wabona umuntu mayesefuna ukuhamba nje umuntu mayesefuna ukuhamba we ngithuke wabona umuntu mayesefuna ukuhamba nje umuntu mayesefuna ukuhamba we ngithuke wabona umuntu mayesefuna ukuhamba we umuntu mayesefuna ukuhamba we mama we esinesikhathi eside sithandana kodwa sixabana ngathi siyathanda ukubonana besikhuluma nawe hleka uvele ngohlathi manje sengiyabona ukuthi abaleka ugcwala amahlathi akasengithathi notisi futhi ngisawazi nokhisi njena ke yabona useyitholile ishele we futhi kwesikhathi eside uke wabona umuntu mayesefuna ukuhamba we umuntu mayesefuna ukuhamba we ngithuke wabona umuntu mayesefuna ukuhamba we umuntu mayesefuna ukuhamba we mama.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm Scelo Gowane. I was actually born in Tuzuma. Abaningi bazokwazi, there's a place that is called Embuzini around Tuzuma B. So that's where I was born. And I grew up mostly in Tuzuma. And studied there, Sandasonke. That was my lower levels, and then I went to the mid levels at Tobile. There's a place called the Richmond Farm where that school is at, and then after that I went to my high school in Madlenkosi, Elindelani. So basically that's where I'm from. I'm from the township, yes, in Tuzuma, basically. Okay, I would regard myself as an Afro / R&B, singer or musician, because we all know what R&B in South Africa was an adoption. It was adopted through waves and waves of playlist. That the international market, especially USA, where R&B was born, and so they've been bombarding us with that music. So it ended up becoming something that we liked, but it's not from here. So now, back in the days we were doing Baqanga, like Abo Maskandi and stuff, and then it came to us as we grew. Uti, you are led to actually listen and imitate or get inspired by something younger phandle. I've worked with quite a number of people. Ngokuhlukana kwabo kwi-industry, you have music writers, you have managers, you have promoters, and then you have artists. So uma artists, the list is very long, but I've worked with Naima K on a song. There was a song that was released album yakhe that I was part of the production as well. It is called Slow Down, and I've worked with Zandi Khumalo, Kelly Khumalo's sister, younger sister, if I'm not mistaken. I've worked on 2 songs naye, Bittersweet, then the other one, iti Kaula. Yeah, so and then I've worked with producers such as Abo, you select play, Lasty, your Tellerman. That was, yeah, that was back. I've worked with Mondli Ngobo, a little bit with Mondli Ngobo. I've worked with Bob Ngobo as my manager when I was still at Touch Africa at that time. I've worked with musicians such as Duncan. I've worked with the Legacy. I've worked with the list is very long. I've worked with Mzokologo from Ikakasi, but now Sebukhozi manje. I've worked with a list of artists and people. I've just had a relationship with TNS recently, which is, I think, the highlight njengamanje. So yeah, there's a lot of people that I've worked with industry. So the list is long. I can ngabala kuze kuyoshona ilanga.